Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change auto lock of secure folder in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. Suppose if you have created secure folder in your phone, you can open secure folder from the home page itself. This is secure folder in my case. It is opened. It is opened without password because it is not locked. Okay, already lock is set, but it will lock only after I press the screen lock. Okay, screen off. Okay, now check. I go to my phone and I open secure folder, and now only it is asking password. Okay, if you are using secure folder, and if you don't turn off your phone, it will not again ask password. Okay, see here, I enter secure folder password here and click on next. Yes, secure folder is now opened. In this secure folder, I go to my files and internal storage. So secure folder is similar to what you are using for the main folder. This is like a main folder, DCM folder, then camera folder. Okay, two items are showing here. These two items are were already moved from the main internal storage DCIM camera folder. Okay, so those two photos are securely placed in this folder, and without password no one can access it. But if you don't lock your phone, anyone can open. See here, again is opening. Okay, so to change this lock type, auto lock, this is done by auto lock. Okay, so when you put screen off, it's locking. You have also other option. Now we will see how to change to other option. Go to the settings of our phone here, then go to security and privacy, and here select more security settings, and here select secure folder, and here click on auto lock secure folder. So here you can change when screen turns off is already selected, so that when only screen is off, secure folder is locked, otherwise it stays unlocked. Okay, then you can choose first one, that is each time I leave an app. If you leave an app, any app, okay, secure folder will be automatically locked. Okay, this is first option. Then you can choose third one, after 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, whether your screen is off or not, after 5 minutes, if it completed 5 minutes, your secure folder will be automatically locked, and after 5 minutes, if you open it requires password. Okay, then after 10 minutes, in this way you can select up to after 30 minutes, and when phone restarts. Okay, so when you switch off your phone, then your phone restarts, then secure folder will be locked. Okay, it is better to use this second option, but don't forget to put lock. Okay, now secure folder will be locked too. Okay, so in this way you can easily customize whatever you want, you can choose it. Okay, but don't forget that. Okay, because others may have access in some particular gap. Okay, so be careful. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.